What's going on, YouTube? It is another day. I did my passenger side mirror, my new passenger side mirror that we got from, what's it called? Kenny Upol. I wrapped this in carbon and it turned out decently well. It's not bad. My other one isn't carbon fiber. So I'm gonna wrap this one. I'm gonna take this plastic piece off and then I'm gonna sand it a little bit and wrap it. And then we're gonna try to put the other one back on. Look at this Filipino Tito over here. Look at this Tito car. These are actually so sick. I think it's the exact same ones I have. Oh, these are smaller. These over fenders.
Yours would have come out like 2 inches.
Soft.
Soft.
Go wider, bro.
Then I would need spacers. And then I'm just my car.
Need to uncomfortably be.
I'll be as wide as an Aventador, but like the drivetrain axles come out like. I bought a lot of stuff.
Wow. Why are they covered in mud?
2 of them are covered in mud.
Why? And why do you have this?
So many questions.
Alright guys, so Dylan just left. Basically, what I'm gonna figure out is how to pop this thing off. I don't think it, yeah, there we go. That's literally it. That's how you take that off. I just had to get somehow. So basically to take these things off, it's literally these 4 things and this thing pops right out, and then it's basically just this harness clips back in, and I think we're good. So I'm gonna test that out, see how it goes, and yeah. Hey guys, update. Do you see anything missing from my toolkit besides that ratchet? Yeah, it's my freaking 10 mil. And guess where I dropped it, guys? In the freaking goddamn door card. Moral of the story, guys, don't be lazy when you're doing car stuff, cause shit like this will happen. Now I have to take about, I didn't want to take apart the door card. I could easily just reached into there and done it, but now I have to take apart the door card. But that, honestly, I don't have time for that. That 10 mil is just in here forever. I don't even hear it. I'm gonna take this apart like probably another day when I have a whole day to figure this out. But for now, I'm just gonna tighten this and then put everything back together, and yeah. I'm so cheesed. Alright, it's back on. I'm gonna test everything first, make sure that it's all good to go. Everything is wired up correctly. Oops. Forgot to close the door. Alright, moment of truth, guys. It works. So yeah, it looks like everything hooked up right. Everything's working, so yeah, this thing's good to go, boys. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna finish the other, what's it called, wrapping the other end of the side mirror, and we'll put that back on. Oh yeah, my boy Dylan just dropped off the wheels, as you saw. I'm gonna give those a quick cleaning because they're kind of gross, so yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's another day. Don't mind the background noise. I think my neighbor's just cutting the grass. It rained last night. Oh, that's a big bug. That's gross. I'm gonna take that off, but I did get this done. Can't see that, it's too bright. Oh yeah, I got it done. And it's actually not bad. I'm not gonna lie, the wrap on this thing, it freaking sucks. I hate it, but I'm just gonna put it on. Alright guys, so bumper's off. I'm gonna try to see if I feel like painting the rest of the grills or whatever. It is, what time is it? It is 11:15. I'm gonna do my best to get what I can done, but the real issue for today is, you're gonna be able to see it. Oh, you kind of see it, but the little clip that holds my O2 sensor, that thing fell. So I gotta see if I could reattach that. We're gonna jack up the car and we're gonna see, well, I'm gonna see if I could fix this without having to weld anything or anything, because that would suck. Okay, so that's that metal piece that I told you guys about that came off. I don't know how it came off, but it just came off. And I also don't know how it's latched on, or supposed to be latched on to this car. But I guess we're about to find out now. So yeah. Alright guys, I got it off. That's the metal clip. It was literally just, so the clip I think hangs under, like around like the actual exhaust and clips in. But I think it just snapped and broke because I think the car is too low or something. Every time I scraped or whatever. And I think it was just, yeah, this thing was definitely eating the ground. It's all scraped up and stuff underneath. So that was probably from me just scraping over like, what is it? Speed bumps and stuff. So it probably came off from there. And then it just snapped off like completely. But to hold the cables, the O2 sensor cable, it's like held on from like these clips, this one and this one right here. So it's held by these two clips, this one and the one down here. That thing I don't need no more because it's donezo. Instead, I kind of jerry-rigged it. So I hooked the metal wiring thing onto like the exhaust hook or exhaust support, whatever it's called, and hopefully this keeps it up for the time being until I can bring it to Ollie, and then we could actually like fix it and see what's up and find like a better spot to hang that thing off of. But for now, that kind of just fixes the issue and it's good. So we'll leave it there for now. Won't touch anything else just because I don't want to fuck things any more shit up than it is. So yeah, for now I'm gonna see if I want to go like paint the front grille and shit. So yeah. Alright guys, so I was kind of just too lazy to take out all the screws and then have to clip it back in and do whatever and whatnot. So I just kind of taped it all out so then I don't have to take things apart. Taped it all up, put all the paper around it, and I'm just gonna spray it just like this. Grill's all done, all nice and fixed up now. It's all gloss black, clear coated and everything. It's not the best job, as always, you know, Reijan Auto Body, only YouTube certified. We are not professional. But yeah, if you want to, this is a quick little fix. It'll make your whole front end look a little bit better. Gloss black all around, kind of match the whole gloss black that I got going anyways. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys. What do you guys think about this? Alright, so you can kind of see it now.
Can you see it?
Better. Yeah, way better.
Told you.
So that's Saran's house. We're gonna swap his bumper.
Why don't you talk to the camera?
And, oh.
They're just looking at the front of a freaking CRV right now.
So I'm at Saran's house. We are going to change his front bumper and his hood. You also need a new freaking headlight as well too. That thing's dying.
Which one?
Driver's side.
I'm gonna get LED.
Oh, okay. No point then. But yeah, we're gonna swap his front bumper and his hood that we got from the, what's it called, the pick and pull. So yeah, it's also super late at night, so I'm not sure how much of this we're gonna record because it's pretty dark, and I don't want the footage to look all grainy and gross. So, yeah. Alright guys, little update. We got the hood and the old bumper off. Now we're just gonna go into my car and we're gonna grab the new bumper, new hood, bolts on that, and I guess we'll just call it a night.
Roof rack maybe?
If we can figure out how it fits, then yeah, we'll do the roof rack.
Wait, I just need to see how
Your things are.
Actually, let me see this thing right now real quick.
Yeah, we'll give you guys an update in a little bit.
Well, it's all one
So yeah.